Let's see how to get started with Wix Studio. So first we're going to create in Wix Studio. So let's start creating here. Let's go and try Wix Studio. And you can design a site by having template or AI. So or set up your own workspace. So I'm going to start designing the site by template or go with a blank canvas. There are many templates to choose from. So let's say you wanted to have a shop. Search shop and there you'll have many templates to choose from. You can always view before you pick something. Say this one. Let's just say like this. Home and living. Okay. Okay. Then edit template. Now when you're getting started here, you can browse for tutorials. So let's just X this. Now we can see here the template that we choose and we can now edit it. You can now edit your name here, the name of your shop, for example. Now this one too. You can edit images here. You can change the image and create AI image. You can upload media if you'd like. You can also change the background here. Always change it. There. You can edit this one, unstack and stack this one. You can unstack this. And if you want this and this to be stacked, you can go click this, shift, and this one. There, I think. Wait, you can have it here. Click this, shift, and this one, then you can stack it. You can arrange some of these and edit some text. And as you can see while we're previewing the template, this one right here is moving. The texts are moving. This one also. So this kind of text is from this button, the Add Elements button. In here, when you go to text, there is this text marquee, and this text has movements where you can edit the movements here. When you double tap it, you can double tap it, and we'll see a movement here. You can change its speed, you can change its direction. There, you can edit a bunch of styles. Capitalization is all in here. And there are some other features also, not only just images and text in the Elements button, like almost everything that you want to have, like this shapes, vector arts, is here. There's the media, where you can have images and videos, transparent videos. You can also do it. You can have some other stuffs in here, the elements, what you want to put and design for your website. Now, in here, these are the pages. In here, you can see the contents of your website, like the pages. You have the search results, accessibility statement, privacy policy, refund policy, shipping policy, terms and conditions. But if you don't need it, feel free to delete this delete this certain page if you don't need it for your website. You can always delete it. Here, there's a thank you page, cart page, sidecar, store pages, and the members area. Here in the members area, if you don't want to have a membership page, then you can also delete this. You can't delete it here. You can just manage on member pages. You can delete it here. You can just delete members area and click this. And also when you go to the store pages, let's say the product page, this is where you'll put your products, what you want to sell. Now, to put something in this, you just have to click this product page and then click the manage products. And in here, you can start editing your products. You can select all of these products and click delete if you want to, but you can also just edit this by clicking this product, and you can edit the contents in here for your products. Then you can also have categories in here for your products. In this, you can separate your products into different categories. You can add new category. You can edit them, you can delete anything you want to have in your website. And you can change also the colors here. Here you can change the color and the text of your whole website. You can add some images immediately in the website. Yes, you can add some media. And in here, global sections, there is the app market where you can have more apps or websites that you want. Like, for example, if you want to have a Wix chat, you want your clients or your customers to reach out to you, and you can have that. You can have bookings, Wix Pro Gallery. No, it's everything is just in this app market. And here, my business, you can see the installed apps here. You can see all the installed apps. And there's CMS, manage contents with CMS. There's some codings and the visual map. This visual map is some layouts. You can see layouts of your pages here. You can edit this. You can drag it, editing it. You can see everything in here from your pages. But if you want to see like a 1-by-1 page, then you can just go here and click the pages 1-by-1. Or here in the pages button. There. And that's it. That's how to get started with Wix Studio. See you soon!